Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the free Village Nugget Ice Maker, known for its chewable nugget ice, and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker, which produces traditional bullet ice. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and what makes each one unique. Whether you're hosting a party or just need ice for your drinks, we've got you covered. The free Village Nugget Ice Maker specializes in producing soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for beverages and is often referred to as sonic ice. In contrast, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice cubes, which are great for cooling drinks, but lack the chewable texture that many users prefer. This difference in ice type is crucial for consumers who have specific preferences for their ice. When it comes to price, the free Village Nugget Ice Maker comes in at a premium price of $209, reflecting its specialized features and high output. On the other hand, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker is budget-friendly at just $69, making it an attractive option for those looking for a more economical choice. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and ice needs. In terms of daily capacity, the free Village Nugget Ice Maker excels with an impressive output of 34 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. Meanwhile, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for casual use, but may require more frequent refills during parties. This capacity difference is an important factor to consider based on your ice consumption needs. Speed is another critical factor. The free Village Nugget Ice Maker takes 12 minutes to produce its first batch of nugget ice, which is relatively slow compared to the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker, which can produce 8 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes. If you're in a hurry or need ice quickly, the Antarctic Star may be the better choice. Lastly, let's talk about energy efficiency. The free Village Nugget Ice Maker has a higher power consumption of 310.5 watts, which may impact your electricity bill over time. In contrast, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker is designed to be energy efficient, operating at just 88 watts. For those who are environmentally conscious or looking to save on energy costs, this could be a significant factor in your decision. In conclusion, both the free Village Nugget Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The free Village is perfect for those who prioritize chewable nugget ice and high daily output, while the Antarctic Star offers a budget-friendly, quick solution for casual ice needs. Consider your specific requirements and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.